you know, like, I'm low-key, I'm a talented man. You feel what I'm saying? I'm a talented man. And you know, and I'm not gonna listen to society and like, niggas doing their nails, that I don't get no fuck. You know what I'm saying? So that's why we gonna vlog it on top of that. It ain't just me going like, hey, check my nails. I did them myself. It ain't even just that. It's more so like I'm telling the world off bat. You ain't even gotta ask if I did them myself because you saw this video. What the fuck is going on? My motherfucking Skrillas. I'm about to get ready and leave town right now. And I'm gonna be doing a lot of vlogging while I'm gone. I got the wood ready, y'all. The whole time I should roll up another one to smoke right now. And I'm gonna smoke this one while I'm driving and shit to some destinations. Not while I'm driving, YouTube. That's not what I meant. But honestly, I'm terrible with timing. So basically I have a flight at 4 p.m. Right now it's 11:49. I'm gonna have to go to Target. I had ordered an Apple Watch and shit. You know what I'm saying? So, cause I'm about to take this trip. I don't know if I wanna tell y'all where I'm going yet. I'll probably tell y'all in the next vlog. Cause this just gonna be me doing this, you dig, before I leave the crib. But basically I'm finna have to go to Target to pick up this Apple Watch and shit. And then, and some like soap, like the Dr. Bronner's. The Dr. Bronner's is necessary, cause it's no bullshit. So yeah, I'm finna go pick up the motherfucking Dr. Bronner's. And then after that, I'm going straight to my uncle's crib. My uncle stayed by Midway, which is an airport in Chicago if you like watching this, not from Chicago. But my uncle stayed by Midway, so I'm just gonna go park in my uncle's crib and shit. And then yeah, get in this Uber, take this flight real quick, and yeah, we gone, y'all. But before I left, I wanted to, you know, my motherfucking nails is looking atrocious right now. You feel what I'm saying? And I'm like, you know what? Instead of spending so much money constantly, you know, like, I'm low-key, I'm a talented man. You feel what I'm saying? I'm a talented man. And you know, and I'm not gonna listen to society and like, niggas doing their nails, that I don't get no fuck. You know what I'm saying? So that's why we gonna vlog it on top of that. It ain't just me going like, hey, check my nails. I did them myself. It ain't even just that. It's more so like I'm telling the world off bat. You ain't even gotta ask if I did them myself because you saw this video. You can do it too. Like, bro, I'm really just debunking. I want to debunk everything that society told you couldn't do. Yeah, I'm finna roll this weed up though. I'm gonna lace it up. I ain't gonna lie, man. If you smoke with me, just know. I'm putting wax in that shit. Yeah, I'm putting wax in it. A decent amount of wax, man. I ain't gonna cap to you. Like, I be lacing some shit up. I need to move faster. Don't even know if I'm being irresponsible right now by doing my nails. Like, maybe I should just go ahead and leave right now type shit. Go to Target and then go straight to like my uncle's crib type shit. Park, head over there. I'm sorry, y'all. I put fucking moon rock in this shit too. So it's wax and it's moon rock dust in this bitch. Like, just know. Let me show this shit to you. Hold up. I ain't gonna cap to you. There's some shit right here you couldn't even like, this some shit I wouldn't even be trying to do you like that, gang. Like, I have to damn near let you know, like, gee, this shit strong. This might not be for you, gang. You feel me? But there's some shit I'm finna face. I'm gonna go and face this real quick. Take a little micro dose of the shroomy roomies. A little cut water. I'm gonna be straight. That motherfucking cut water, I'm gonna take 3 sips of that motherfucker. I'm gonna be in a game. Them motherfuckers ain't no joke, yeah? No kizzy, cousin. I got a weird rolling face. Don't look at my face. It's like my face gets going like, yeah. You know how you be doing shit and your face be turning? Did you time me? I'm done. No, I'm done, B. Just like that. Real quick. Yo, I be sweating. I'm sweating under my arms right now. Like, what the fuck, yo? Alright. Do I even have time to do my nails right now? Yeah, I do. It's not gonna take me that long. If my Asian sister can do it that quick, I can too. You know what I'm saying? Let me just get my shit in order. You know what I'm saying? If you can do it, I can too. That's my motto. That should be everybody's motto. No kidding. All you gotta do is just do a little bit of learning. I've done this plenty of times before though, y'all. My ex had a motherfucking like nails set up and shit, so I used to use her shit to do my motherfucking nails. So this ain't my first go round, cousin. This ain't my first go round, nigga. Fuck you thought this was, puss ass nigga? Hold the fuck up, homie. Hey, hold the fuck up, cuz. Aight. Let me just get all this shit together. I've been low-key spending time like just straightening up my crib too, cause like I said, I'm gonna take this flight and like I don't wanna come home to a dirty crib. Like who the fuck wanna take a flight and then come home? Like let me go back to this filth, you know? It's not the type of time I'm on. And I pay my bills. So when I come home, I ain't gotta be trying to figure out, okay, now that I've had fun, how am I gonna take care of my responsibilities? That's backwards, gang. That's backwards, like dead ass. If your ass going on a vacation and you ain't took care of your responsibilities first, you probably should be going on that vacation, gang. Like your ass finna get back and then be all upset and scrambly and shit. And I'm only saying that out of experience. The first time I ever went on a vacation, I went with my parents and they ass low key blew me. But it was just them like teaching me for moments like these. Essentially, it was really my pop's fiance. I ain't gonna capture you like the fix or no kizzy. He was basically like, we went on a trip, you know, had a nice time, this, that, and the third. But when we got back to Chicago, like literally, we back in the city now, and he like, you got your bill money, your phone bill money? And I was low key like, man, you know, just that entitled feeling that young niggas be having. And I wasn't a young nigga, I was in college type shit. But I was just feeling all entitled and shit, like, man, we just got back to Chicago, y'all know I ain't got no so-and-so, no structure, no stability. But you know, that ain't have shit to do with them. You feel what I'm saying? And like, and it's like much deeper when it comes to shit like that, to be honest with you, because like, you know, I feel like Black American families are like really weird when it comes to like how they want to see their kids progress, but the things they provide for them to progress. But at the same time, it's a systematic thing. Like it's not nothing that just started now. So it's like I can't necessarily be mad at nobody except for like, you know, I can't be mad at nobody that's here right now because the problem started so long ago. So all I can do is just, you know, um, make sure that I'm doing something different once I finally have kids. But yeah, when I had got back, they was like, "Where your bill money?" And I was just like, "What the fuck? Like, y'all know I ain't got no bill money. We just went out of town." And they was like, "Yeah, but you was supposed to make sure you had your business taken care of before you went out of town." Da, da, da. And like, yeah, even though they was right, you know, it blew me because it's like, yeah, I wish y'all had told me that before I went. You know what I'm saying? But in a way, they didn't have to. I was an adult, a grown man. You feel what I'm saying? So motherfuckers didn't even have to tell me that shit. But yeah, though, got all my shit taken care of, man. So now I'm just gonna try to do this real quick, and then yeah, then we gone, shorty. We gone. So my ex, she was like super insecure down there, and like every little thing that was down there, anything I can do that was self-sufficient, she didn't like it because she felt like it was me building to leave her, which is obviously what it turned into because, you know, negative manifestation is what it is. But I want to do my nails. I want her to do my nails type shit. Like, yeah, I need you to do my nails, this, that, and the third. And then she like, okay, I got you on at this time, whatever it was. And I'm like, you know, I'll be like, don't trip. I'll just do them myself. You feel what I'm saying? Like, I'm pretty sure I got the gist of how to do it. And she'd get mad at that. Like, shorty was not fucking with the concept of me doing it myself. She like, no, I'll do it for you. Like, no, I'll do it for you. I'm like, it's cool, I can do it myself. And she's like, so you just don't need me, you just don't. And I used to be like, shorty, what are you talking about? Like, you don't even got the time. I'm trying to help you out. We're gonna both win in this situation. But yeah, you dealing with that, hey man, pointless. You dig? To get a little challenging when I gotta like use my left hand to do my right hand, because my right hand is my dominant hand. This towel is coming in handy because my hands also be sweating like a motherfucker. Fallon Jones. It's hard to smoke and do your nails at the same time. I'm realizing that now. I don't like this nail file. I don't like this nail file though. That motherfucker way too soft. My problem is I'm a perfectionist and I don't have time to be. Alright, go wash your hand. Alright, let me stop washing. Sorry if that was offensive. I was just joking. Let me go wash my hands. I just don't like the foul job on these bitches. Alright, fuck it. Alright, 12 minutes into this. Bet. Now let's just get to painting real quick, shorty. Let's paint these nails. I don't know what the fuck this is. I had just got all this shit off Amazon. Bought it in a bundle down now. Hopefully this shit hit though, because some of these fucking polishes be looking cheap as hell. I'm great. I'm honestly wondering if I should even go to Target. I should get a return. I'm damn near canceling this order, y'all. I feel like I'm gonna be doing too much rushing and I don't like doing that. I canceled that order though, so now I have more time to just leave straight from here and go straight to my uncle's crib if I need to, but I might stop at the Target on the way. But let me do this first. Focus, Fay-duh, focus! Close that base. Put this last top. Be outie Fay-duh. And this was a rush job too. So like, I really can do my shit real good. You know, and this ain't bad. I was watching Sinners on Amazon Prime. The last 2 nights I watched that shit. I already saw it in the theater twice too. But that song in my head, when they blended the past with the future. They started blending all type of shit. My man say, somebody take me into your arms tonight. Come on now, sing that shit. Somebody take me into your arms tonight. That man look blunt. Into your arms tonight. Now I'm just being dramatic. I need to move around. Alright. Got that good vitamin E oil. You dig? Show y'all what's to it. Show y'all how to get on. Show my guys that it ain't nothing to it. Even some of the ladies, if you want to just knock it out. You dig what I'm saying? You know, it ain't shit to it. You know how they do it at the shop. Get you all lathered up so your shit can really look poppin'. Then you be like, oh yeah, they snapped on my shit. But really, you do that to yourself. You be like, oh yeah, I snapped on my shit. Oh yeah. I'm like real critical of myself now because I'm gonna show y'all that shit. So, give me a second. Betty Crocker or Betty Spaghetti? Yeah. I might use this for the thumbnail the whole time. That mean I would have to get the nail polish and shit in it though. Alright, y'all. That's a wrap. Out of here. Nail vlog. You dig what I'm saying? You can do it yourself type shit. I'm finna go catch this flight. But we finna start another vlog too. But yeah, y'all already know we splitting them up, chopping them down type shit. You dig what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna fuck with y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in a little while or next time. Cause you probably, I don't know how I'm gonna upload these motherfuckers. But I know I gotta get up out of here. I got some little right here. You know what I'm saying? Finna take a little micro dose, you did what I'm saying? I'm gonna take a little couple sips of this right here, you did what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm gonna be in the game, shorty, I'm gonna be in the game, but it's 12:52 right now. I really need to be at the airport at 2 o'clock because my flight is at 4 o'clock, you did what I'm saying? And I ain't got no real ID, but I got my passport, so, and I don't know how none of this really finna work type shit, cause I don't be taking flights like that, shorty, you feel me? But tune in to my next vlog to see what's the deal with the flight, gang. We finna take a trip, but you gotta see where I'm going in my next vlog though. I'm not telling you in this one. I'm just not telling you in this one. You're gonna have to figure out in the next vlog where I'm going. You probably gonna be like, nigga, you ain't even need to be doing your nails. What you doing your nails for? What? Or you probably was like, nigga, you should have had that done professionally for where you going, bro. Like, what, like, bro, what's the deal? You feel me? Like, you never know. You gotta check the next vlog to find out, shorty. Yeah, straight up, shorty. Yeah, straight up, shorty. Nah, but I'm up out of here. I love y'all. You know what I'm saying? I know you love me. You did what I'm saying? I just want you to know you're a boss. I just want you to know the world is your canvas. You know what I'm saying? You can paint whatever picture you want to in this motherfucker. You the boss. You can do whatever you want to do. Like, don't forget that shit, shorty. I'm done. Move around. Close this video. Not just bullshitting. I love you. I get up with you. We gonna touch bases when I turn this off and turn it back on because like I said, we gone, shorty. We finna take a flight. But in this video, we done. Hey, gang, do it yourself, gang. Do it yourself. Now when you like go to the store and pass the lady your money, she gonna be like, oh, you got your nails done and shit. Or now when you like, hey, put your number in my phone, she gonna be like, oh, this nigga get his nails done and shit. He can touch me. Like, come on, gang. Don't tweak, fuck you talking about. Don't think cause I'm sitting here doing this shit too that I won't really do that to your mom. I keep these motherfuckers clean so no jamming can happen at all. Now let me stop. I need to go. You playing too much. You playing. I'm gone. Now I'm gonna see y'all, alright? I'm excited, y'all. I'm gonna take this solo trip. I'm geek, shorty. But you gotta watch the next vlog to see where I'm going. I'll holler at you guys next time. I bet.